Hey, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Lebohang Luna, and today we have something really exciting for you to see. We have the Sunsynk 8kW single-phase hybrid inverter with Wi-Fi included. I just can't wait to see what's inside. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, as you can see, we have our box here. So let's crack it open and see what we have inside. Here it is, the star of the show, the Sunsynk 8kW single-phase hybrid inverter. It's compact, has an 8000 watt output, which is ideal for medium-sized home or small business. So let's see what else is in the box. Okay guys, we have a pamphlet that contains the QR codes to download the installer guide, the data logger app, and most importantly, to register your inverter's warranty, the warning sticker pack, the parallel communication cable, wall mounting bolts, a battery temperature sensor, Wi-Fi dongle, which is used for remote management and configuration, then lastly the CT coil, which prevents power from being exported into the grid. Before we end off, let's quickly go over the basic specifications of the Sunsynk 8kW single-phase hybrid inverter. As mentioned before, it is capable of handling up to 8000 watts power output. It's a 48 volt DC single-phase inverter which features 2 MPPTs and a grid charger that can also help you with simultaneously charging your batteries via solar panels and via the grid for maximum flexibility. And just to add on it, it has an intelligent energy management system which helps to prioritize solar power and reduce grid reliance to save you on your electricity bill. And that wraps up our unboxing on the Sunsynk 8kW single-phase hybrid inverter. It's an impressive piece of kit. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.